Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share a new biography video featuring the stunning and unique Ivy, also known as Outdoor Ivy. At 26 years old, Ivy hails from the United States and has captured the hearts of many with her natural beauty and adventurous spirit. With her striking blue eyes and love for nature, she finds joy in exploring the wonders of the world. Ivy embraces her natural self and chooses not to shave, confidently expressing her individuality. Her passion for travel and authentic lifestyle has earned her a strong following, with over 75,000 fans on Instagram. Be sure to watch till the end to learn more about her inspiring journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories.
Wali ang to sa diwa.